Letgo is a popular marketplace that allows users and buyers to sell secondhand items. But with many listings, standing out and making a sale can be challenging. So here's how to sell stuff on Letgo quicker. The first thing a potential buyer will notice is your product image. If the photo is blurry, dark, or poorly framed, people might skip your listing no matter how good the deal is. To avoid this, take clear, well-lit pictures of your item from multiple angles. Ideally, use natural light or a well-lit room to showcase the product's true colors. Make sure the background is clutter-free to keep the focus on the item. Some sellers also use professional-looking props or plain backgrounds to make their listings more attractive. For example, if you're selling a piece of furniture, make sure it's fully visible in the frame and shows any unique details. As a bonus tip, include a close-up shot of any wear or tear so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Transparency builds trust, which can speed up sales. Next, you want to write a descriptive title and detailed description. Your title and description are essential for making a quick sale. For the title, use clear and concise language that includes the brand, model, or condition of the item. A title like iPhone 12, 64 gigabytes, excellent condition is far more effective than iPhone for sale. It gives buyers the critical information instead of people having to ask any questions about it. For the description, go beyond the basics and detail any features, specifications, and potential uses of the item. Highlight why it's a good deal and what makes it unique. If the item has history, like being gently used for only a short period of time, mention that too. The more details you provide, the fewer questions potential buyers will have to ask, speeding up the process. Next, pricing is crucial for when it comes to selling on Letgo. If your price is too high, potential buyers will look elsewhere. If your item is in great condition, that's great. To get a sense of how to price your item, browse similar listings and see what they're going for. If you're in a hurry to sell, consider setting a price lower than market values to attract buyers quickly. With that said, leave some room for negotiation. Most buyers on Letgo expect to haggle, so setting your price a little higher than your absolute minimum allows you to accept offers without losing out on what you hope to get. For example, if you want $50 for an item, consider pricing it at $55 or $60. That way, when buyers try to negotiate, you can sell at your desired price without seeming too rigid. Next, respond to quick inquiries quickly. Timing is everything, and being responsive can make a big difference in how fast you close a deal. When buyers send messages, aim to reply as soon as possible. A quick response shows that you're serious about selling and that you'll be easy to deal with throughout the transaction. Keep notifications on for Letgo messages so that you don't miss any inquiries. If you're unavailable for a long period, let interested buyers know when you will be able to respond fully. A simple "I'm available to answer more questions after 6 p.m. can help keep buyers interested and prevent them from moving on to other listings. Next, offer delivery or meet up in convenient locations. One of the pain points for buyers on Letgo is the hassle of arranging pickups. Offering to meet at a convenient location, public location, or even delivering the item to the buyer can speed up your sales significantly. Buyers are more likely to choose your listing if it's easy to get the item without too much trouble. For smaller, easy to carry items, offer to meet in a public place that's convenient for both parties, like a coffee shop or a parking lot. For larger items like furniture, you could offer delivery with a certain distance for an additional fee, or as a free service if you're eager to make the sale. Just make sure to follow safety guidelines when meeting strangers for transactions. Always choose a public location, bring a friend if possible, and ensure the buyer has seen and improved the item before finalizing the sale. Selling on Letgo quickly requires more than just listing an item and hoping for the best. With the right approach, you can move items faster and avoid the frustrations of waiting for weeks to find a buyer. By using high-quality photos, writing a detailed description, pricing competitively, responding to inquiries promptly, and offering convenient pickup options, you'll increase your chances of making a quick sale.